in the Dasama Skanda, the 10th canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 30. This is verse number 12. Gopis are continuing to search for Krishna. They're separated from him. And they've gone from the trees to the plants and flowers. And they asked the earth. And in verse number 12, they're going back to the trees. Start again. This is verse number 12. Paham priyamsa upadaya grihita padmo Ramanujas Tulasikali Kalir Marandhe Anviyamana iya Vastarava Pranamam Kimbabhinandati Charan Pranayavaloke. The Brajagopis said, O trees, we see that you are bowing down. When the younger brother of Ram, Krishna, walked by here, followed by intoxicated bees swarming around the Tulsi manjaris, decorating his garland. So it's very clear here from 10th canto, chapter 30, verse 12, that Krishna wears garlands with Tulsi manjari sewn in the garland. That's why we said in a few classes before, if you offer a mala to Krishna without Tulsi, Krishna is not happy. He doesn't like it. Why? Because when he himself glorifies Tulsi, he says, Pushpa Sara Tulasi in Padma Puran. Pushpa Sara Tulasi. You are the essence, Sar, of all the flowers, Tulsi Devi. So therefore, when you buy malas from Banki Bihari, flower wallas, other places, then they give you one pata, leaf plate with a mala, and then they sprinkle some tulsi, manjaris and leaves on top, and they hand it to you, and then you offer to the pujari. So here, it's right here, clear. So they're asking the trees, you're bowing down because, why are you bowing down? Because when a great and exalted person goes by, then one actually stands up and bows down, shows respect, bends his head, falls on the ground, dandavats, some type of obeisances and honor and appreciation of the exalted person, be they a senior or a leader, etc. O trees, did Krishna acknowledge your humble obeisances with his affectionate glances? Krishna must have been resting his arm on the shoulder of his beloved and carrying a lotus flower in his free hand. So literally Krishna's right hand was resting on the shoulder of Radharani. No, let me get it together. Krishna's left, I'm not so much familiar with this. Krishna was resting his left arm on his shoulder of Radharani, and in his right hand he was twirling a lotus flower. He wasn't just carrying it, walking along. He was twirling it because the movements of that spinning lotus flower were indicative of the spinning of Krishna's agitated mind. Because when you touch the polarities, and some sparks will fly. So he's excited to be with Radharani. What to speak of Radharani? While Krishna rests his left arm on her shoulder, then her hair of her body stands on end in happy acceptance and happy appreciation of that joyful contact with Krishna's divine transcendental form.